Moving to the last few requirements on the standard form 1408, the accounting system provides financial information required to support requests for progress payments. In this context, progress payments aren't necessarily based on any kind of milestone. Effectively, what they are is a request by the contractor to receive payment for work in process. So if you're awarded a multi-year contract and you're performing work at a linear rate, you'll need to be able to, at least at some point, depending on what the contract calls for, send an invoice to your government customer. That's all that's asking for in terms of progress payments. So let's take a look at what that might look like. Run it for a few projects, and this is the invoice worksheet. So what the invoice worksheet is going to do is give me a snapshot of for a particular contract, for a particular period of performance, my labor costs in this case, and any ODCs. So this is a progress bill. And again, the reason it's called a progress bill is you've got your funding, how much has been billed prior, how much is this invoice for, and what remains. So effectively, you're working against the entire value of the contract, and you have an amount remaining. And again, that goes back to the limitation of funds as well. When you hit the 75% of the funding ceiling, that's where you'll trigger off that notice to your contracting officer in this particular case.